guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Blogger Panda and today I'm going to review the 5 shades which you can wear to your workplace. First one which I'm going to talk about is NYKAA, this one, and this is the Naughty Nude shade 11M. This has a soft matte finish and this is a one-time applicator because you need not apply multiple layers to get the perfect shade. So NYKAA will cost you around $3.99 and this is really affordable for your daily wear. And this is how it looks. And now let's go to the second one. So this is a Touch of Spice from Maybelline New York and the shade is 660. And you can find it on NYKAA stores on huge discounts. Anyway, I'm just giving you a secret tip. And now this is a very matte creamy lip color and almost it's my favorite because I have used it almost and it's going to finish, and I will show you how it looks like on my skin. Okay, creamy matte texture and it is very comfortable and long lasting and also is very good to wear on a daily basis, and this is my favorite. Yeah, and this one you can get it for 450 rupees on NYKAA. Okay, let's move on to the third one. This is Amore Matte Lip Cream by Milani, and it is highly saturated liquid to matte formula, and let me apply it for you. And let it dry. Let me show you how it looks like. This is slightly on the higher side, which you can get on NYKAA for 1100 rupees. Okay, let's come on to the fourth one, which is Hiking Partner 11 from PURPLLE. And this is my new buy and I absolutely love this one. I'll show you how it looks like. It's a creamy matte finish again, and let me show it to you. This is how it looks, and it is absolutely fantastic for daily wear because you get this only for 299 rupees. So isn't that worth it? Now coming on to the last one, this is Lakme 925, which has primer plus matte finish, and this is Roseate Motive MR5 shade. Okay, let me show you how it looks like. It is also a creamy matte texture, and you can buy this, you can get this for 450 rupees on NYKAA. And that's it for today from Blogger Panda, and I hope you liked my collection. And if you liked it, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and do not forget to hit this bell icon to stay updated. Bye guys. It is very soft. Okay, the first one is Naughty Nude by NYKAA. You can see NYKAA. Sorry, NYKAA.